Okay, so what is IBX? This is just a super short video that you can come back and refer to anytime that you need to explain it to a client, or just in case you're still not quite understanding what it is at this point. Because a lot of people hear how good it is, but don't actually know what it is. So IBX is a strengthening treatment that goes inside the natural nail. It is a penetrative, curable monomer system that reinforces and toughens the nail. So penetrative, that means it's going inside the nail. We're going to use heat and the addition of jojoba and avocado oil to help us pull the product down into the nail. Curable, it is going to cure under an LED or UV light, so it will solidify into a full polymer or a solid plastic. It's a monomer system, so that aids in that understanding. It is going to be monomers that turn into polymers and therefore is part of our plastic family. And it toughens and reinforces the nail. Think like reinforcing steel that you see sticking out of a concrete wall. It is that reinforcing steel that is going to help the nail maintain its own strength. If I'm explaining it to a client, I usually just say that it is a strengthener, but it goes inside the nail and it's a permanent addition to the nail that grows out. That's all they generally need to know. I'll talk about a couple of experiences I've had or that my clients and friends have had where it's really worked, but I generally just explain it as a strengthener that goes inside the nail. If you have any questions at all, either pop into the discussion box up above the menu in this course or go to our Facebook group and ask the questions in there, and we will move on to the next video to discuss why we might use IBX.